3D printing, what is it? How does it work? What can you do with it? There's only one way to find out, and that's catch up with Zach from Rising Sun FPV.
So 3D printing takes many forms. Essentially, it's a machine that extrudes filament. So filament looks very much like a whippersnipper cable and moves it within 3 axes that we program of a shape. And that happens multiple times. There are layers, thousands of times in some cases, and makes a 3D model or the object. It can be done in flexible, food safe, can be done in hard plastic, UV safe. So multiple different things and lots of use cases. So if you can think it, you can print it.
So did you print all this stuff?
Yeah, so this is a combination of FDM and resin. So what that means is FDM is that plastic and SLA is a resin, so a UV resin. So the difference is going to be resin is where we get the really high detailed small items, and FDM we use for the larger items and our bigger statues. Essentially all these ones here are then painted by one of our staff, Jasmine, who's been working for us for about 4 years now and really honing in on her craft lately.
And I do all the sanding and the finer details to get them looking nice and smooth and how they should be, no nasty bits. Once they're primed, we can start adding color, like on this one here. So you can see, started laying out the bases for the colors, done a bit of shading.
The water park on the Strand, it was closed down to the public. They were going to have to wait like weeks and weeks and weeks for a part they needed. They heard about you guys and they came over, gave you the part, you printed it, you had it ready for them the next day, and then the following day the water park was up and running again. That's amazing. Yeah,
so I mean, like, that is really our bread and butter, and it's not something that we really encapsulate on too much at the moment, but what we call it is napkin design. So that's where a customer or someone will bring in something that's either literally drawn down or it's in pieces that they've tried to sticky tape or super glue together, and that's where we use a combination of 3D scanning and CAD, so computer-aided design, to actually make that part from scratch, and that's where we can then 3D print it, rapid prototype, generally in around 24 to 48 hours.
Awesome. Well, can we have a look at your big machine?
Yeah, absolutely. Come with me. So this one here is now able to print 1 meter cubic. At the moment, it's printing out some parts for a company down south.
And show us one of the biggest things you've printed. I want to see size.
Okay, this is a life-size xenomorph that we're actually making to put in our new shop.
Now, you did say that you printed us something special. Can we have a look at that?
Absolutely. We made you a sign of a Power 100 printed on our Prusa XL, which is a multi-color printer. So this can print up to 5 different colors. That one there with some stands.
Awesome.
And this is just to show the multicolor that we can do, like another product range that we currently have at the moment, which does all the military vehicles. So there's no painting required. The software does that. And these things are all around Australia at the moment.
So if you're thinking of 3D printing, think Rising Sun FPV. But of course, Zach, it's not just 3D printing you do.
No, so FPV actually stands for first person view. So we actually do drones as well. So whether that's the design of drones, the manufacturing, the parts, the repairs and service. We also do airbrush lessons, painting lessons. We do the 3D modeling, the 3D scanning, on-site repairs. We start up maker spaces, so Riverway Library, Aikenvale Library. We also manage Air Force, their maker space there. And we do travel around Australia and also manage 3D printers, so industrial size 3D printers as well. We do resin casting, silicon molding, you name it, we can do it. We can do laser. And that's where we're constantly expanding what the machinery we have. So each year we're purchasing new different types of technology and manufacturing techniques. So such as SLS is what we're looking at next, and then metal 3D printing as well here in North Queensland.